behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Baltimore. Please remain seated with your seatbelt.
So today is a travel day. I left Cleveland at noon. I just landed in Baltimore. And then I have one more flight to get to Long Island.
23,000 feet. It's going to be the cruising altitude to Long Island Park.
That might have been the bumpiest flight I've ever been on. So this is day 4, day 3, day 4, because I arrived on Monday and today is Thursday. So this is day 4 of my trip to Long Island. It's been pretty crazy. I haven't been vlogging the past couple of days just because my days are packed with meetings and meals from like noon until 10 p.m. with a little bit of free time in between. So I've been just a little bit busy. I've had some really good food though. I had some bomb chicken and waffles last night. I can feel myself getting sick. I don't know if you can tell with like how my voice sounds, but I'm not thrilled about it. I don't really have any medicine and not sure if I'm gonna make it to the store. So I'm really thankful that my meetings don't start until noon because I can catch up on my sleep and drink lots of water because that's pretty much all I can do right now. Other than that, we have a chapter business meeting today. I have a workshop for the sisters tomorrow night. This campus is tiny, like 4 or 5 buildings tiny, because it is a college and it is a commuter school. They don't even have dorms on this campus, which is something that I've never seen before. So obviously everyone drives to campus. Everyone lives within an hour or 40 minutes of campus, which is pretty crazy to me. They don't have a suite or a house, obviously. So they usually just tend to congregate in another sister's house who's like 5 or 10 minutes from campus. But I have my bag for the day. I have my water bottle and I'm ready for another full day of meetings and getting to know these women. So today ended up being really fun. The president and another sister and I went to this park slash lake slash, I forget what it was called, but it was really pretty and it was freezing because it was super windy. But we were able to just walk around and get some really cute pictures and get some really pretty views. I am getting slightly sick, like nothing too crazy. I think it's just like a little cold, like my throat hurts a little bit, my head hurts a little bit. I just feel like kind of bleh. So went to CVS today, bought zinc tablets, Alka-Seltzer, and Airborne, and we'll be taking those religiously today and tomorrow and until I feel like a normal human being again. I also just got Uber Eats delivered to me, and it's Applebee's, and I'm so excited. The only thing I get from Applebee's is the 4-cheese mac and cheese chicken tender with bacon. Like literally ever since high school, like that is the one thing I get. Sometimes I get like the chicken, lime, whatever that one is, but sticking with the 4 cheese mac and cheese for sure. So this is my last night here in Long Island. It's been a pretty good visit. Definitely lots of productive meetings. I did run a workshop with this chapter and I think it went really well. Just went over some resources and did some team building activities, which are always really fun. So we were actually supposed to go to a Christmas light show tonight, but it was raining. So we ended up going bowling instead. There was a lot of good food that I ate while I was on Long Island, including this breakfast place called Toast. I also got hibachi today, which was super fun and is always an experience. So since it is my last night in Long Island, that means I have to pack up all of my stuff. So let's do that real quick. So this is looking a little bit better than it was about 10 minutes ago. It's currently 1:35, so I think I'll just finish this in the morning because I need a shower. So I showed you my nightly routine when I was in Dayton, Ohio, but I kind of want to show you a more realistic and not YouTuber-esque nightly routine. So I usually only wash my hair every other day or every 3 days because otherwise it gets gross and greasy. So that is what this magical dry shampoo is for. Once I'm out of the shower, the mirror is all steamed up because I like to keep the water at a scalding temperature. I do use It's a 10 religiously. My grandma's a beautician and she has been giving it to my sisters and myself for a couple years now, and it is a total game changer. So that's all for tonight. I will see you guys in Queens.